Hi, this is Darshan Bhatt from Glovista Investments with our market outlook for the week beginning March 15th. This week, despite a bout of volatility, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones index closed at record levels, returning 2.64% and 4.07% respectively. The Nasdaq index returned more than 3% as well after a pullback period beginning February 17th. The intra-week volatility in equity markets was primarily driven by a continued uptick in the US yields, with the US 10-year yields closing above 1.62%, primarily owing to the greater visibility on the economic growth front afforded by the passage of $1.9 trillion fiscal package this week, as well as the continued progress on the vaccination side. On the vaccination front, the US continues to make rapid progress towards normalization, with President Biden setting a target for all states to begin vaccination for all individuals over the age of 16 by May 1. Despite the uptick in the real interest rate yields this week, the US dollar continued to consolidate its recent gains, while the international developed equities outperformed its emerging market peers, owing to their greater value orientation. We view the recent uptick in market volatility as part of a medium-term rotation towards value-oriented sectors and indices. This coming week, the market's focus will primarily be on the FOMC meeting, particularly the release of the future revised economic growth projections, as well as the median expectations for the future interest rate path. Owing to the strong economic growth outlook over the coming quarters, as well as the strong visibility of that growth, we continue to sustain a bullish outlook towards equities, particularly emerging market equities, Japanese equities, high-quality US growth industries, financials, and certain sections of the industrial sector. From a macroeconomic calendar perspective, this week, in addition to the FOMC, we also have the Bank of England and Bank of Japan meetings. On the calendar front, we will see several releases, including the Empire State Manufacturing, the Philly Fed, the US February retail sales, and industrial production. Out of China, we will also see industrial production and retail sales, whereas from Germany, we will see the ZEW economic survey. Thank you for listening, and good luck.